My name is Jacob Lance. I am one of the owners here at Lance Home Services here in Lago Vista, Texas. And we've been collecting donations for flood victims here in the Travis County area and Burnett County, specifically for residents in Sandy Creek. Can't really put a number to how many people have volunteered and worked up here, but if I had to guess, I'd say well over 100, including the women's organization here in Lago Vista, as well as Lions Club. Many of the volunteers have just come up on their own accord and asked what they could do and pitched in and really made a difference here. So I think some of the needs are home needs or cleaning supplies, things of that nature. Trying to get their properties back in order, livable again. I would have to think that furniture may be needed for some of these homes, as a lot of them were flooded out, and some people are going to need completely new homes. Some of the worst devastation here in Travis County was obviously in the Sandy Creek neighborhood. Big Sandy Creek flooded and just took out a lot of homes in flood areas. We had the Cow Creek Bridge, which is on 1431, a major artery from Lago Vista to Marble Falls. That was completely wiped out, which has caused even our company, Lance Home Services, a lot of difficulty with servicing our customers in that area, as well as employees that live in the Marble Falls area trying to get back to Lago Vista, almost doubling their commute time. You know, just the flood damage can be seen all along 1431 in northwest Travis County. But I'd say the hardest hit was definitely Sandy Creek. Well, Mattress Mac is incredible, man. We saw his trucks rolling up here. It's almost like an army with all the off-road vehicles ready to go, and then every single one of them say disaster relief vehicle. I thought that was impressive. So my first thought was, man, he's already gone through this in Houston, and he said, I'm going to be ready for the next one. And sure enough, he was. And so, man, we're really happy to have Mattress Mac here and all his folks. It looks like he's got a lot of employees here, people that work for the company, and friends out here helping as well, which is a blessing. So we thank Mattress Mac and everything he does for our community as well.